Behind the scene, we created a create post class as well, like the users class. Okay, now if someone want to change the database name and password and others, then he have to go to the database folder, then connection. So rather than we can make some easy, we can make a config file, and the config file will return an array and associative array as well. Called database, and within it we can put the keys like host. We have here host, like this. We can copy this host, then we can put db name, and user, then password. We can give these fields. So how we can use it? We have to require it here. So this config file returning an associative array, so we can get it here. And where we need this config? We need this config in the connection class. So we have to pass this config in the make method of the connection class, so we can take it here. So how we will use it? We can write this way. Let's copy it. We can write like MySQL host equal, then concatenate with the dot, then give this connection. So this config mean we got this area. So in the database array we have a key called host, so we can put it here, then dot, then we can call db name, then dot, again this part, and we have a key db name. Okay, then we have user key, then we have password. Let's see if it's working or not. If everything goes well, then it will work. Yep, something is wrong. Undefined index host. Let's see. Let's see what we get in the config array. We can see like var we see here an array, and let's put the host key. So it's denying the password. Let's see what we have done wrong. Config. Oh, host will we didn't get the host. You see here, when we pass the host, sorry, it is not host. Okay, it is host, and we are passing it here. We didn't get the, oh sorry, I have to pass the database key here. Now I get the host. Sorry, this one is associative array, so we have to put the key here to get this data. So now it will work. If we reload, then it's working perfectly. So if the thing is gone wrong, then it's good, because we can try to solve it, and you have seen how we can solve it. Thank you.